Hello guys, I'm Jofel Diaz and this is my third video blog for my website diazjofel.wix.com/network security. So we're talking about antivirus measures. These are the tips on a antivirus measure. So first is viruses transmitted through email messages are a significant threat to an organization. So if your email messages have a virus transmitted, so it is significant possible threat threatening on your computer on your PC. So be careful on that. So secondly, email viruses can attack individual computers or on your entire email environment. So viruses can attack individually on your computers and easily attack or spreading it on your email environment. So be careful on that also. So thirdly, how to avoid that. So this is the third tips on how to avoid that. So the most effective mechanism for combating viruses are installing antivirus software and keeping the antivirus signature files up to date. So I can install antivirus software like McAfee, Norton, or NOD or Nest, so you can easily protecting your computer. So keep up to date on your antiviruses so viruses cannot be easily spread in your computer. Then fourthly, consider protecting against viruses at the firewall at a simple mail transfer protocol gateway at each exchange server on every client computer. So be careful on transferring documents or files on your protocol. So it can be so the viruses cannot be spread on your computer also. So be careful on transferring documents. So there are the tips on how to antivirus measures. So thank you for viewing.